Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. I'm very excited to share this video with you. I have a digital journal kit and this is created handmade by Hazel at Art with Hazel. I will link her channel in the description box. You most definitely should check out her channel. She has this digital kit where you can find that on her channel. I think it's in her coffee shop. So this is called The Secret Garden, and I finally got a printer, I received it yesterday, and I got this at Best Buy. It's a Hewlett Packard 5101 printer, and at first I had some trouble, user error, because I'm not technologically savvy, and I was trying to transmit it via my phone, and it was printing small like this, and then I realized that I had it on the portrait setting rather than the landscape setting. And then I decided, because it was not printing all the way out, again, user error on my phone. Once I switched it from my laptop and printed from my laptop, everything worked perfectly. Now, I didn't have white copy paper, so the paper that I printed on is this parchment paper in different colors, as well as just some, and this is a nice textured, heavier cardstock, and that's the reason why I wanted to get this particular printer, because it feeds from the back and can help with that. But there's also this smoother paper, so it really depends on the paper that you use. Like I said, I didn't have regular white copy paper. I haven't had a printer here in years, but this came out really nice. And you can see here, this particular parchment cardstock paper is lighter than this one. This one has, actually this is not the parchment, this is the smoother texture. Let me see if I can come in closer. But you can see the color. The colors are different depending on the color of your paper. So if you have white paper, yours is going to turn out differently. But I'm also going to enhance these with markers, maybe with gel pens, with color pencils. So this is the first page. I don't think they're in any particular order except for maybe the door, The Secret Garden. And in Hazel's video, she shows where you can cut this out, put acetate, and have that be like a window. So that's the first page, and there are 22 pages. So then this one has an explanation, and this fairy is called Imogen. So definitely check out her video, check out her website, her Facebook group right there. And definitely recommend this. I'm so looking forward to creating the journal. So here is her fairy. She has journal cards. She has a belly band that you can use, little pockets that you can cut through. Not cut through, but you can cut and make pockets. So I'm, because this is hers, it's all handmade. If you love Zentangle inspired art or Zentangles or doodles, you probably recognize some of these flowers. She has a cute little praying mantis, and I know that I saw her make that, and cute little bumblebees, flowers with fescue. But I'm just going to flip through these because, again, these are her pages and you should really check her out. These are her designs. So this is that smoother paper. And then this is one of the pockets that she has where it's curved. She has one that is also, I think, cut like at an angle. Then she has a page here where you can cut the words, cut little tags. Then some more Zen doodle inspired art here with these flowers. Again, the background of my paper is different, but look how pretty these are. So if this was white, it would be different. But I just wanted to show you these really quick. And I'm so looking forward to creating the journal. Here is also one where you can cut these strips. You can use these as journaling cards, journal notes. And then she has a master board where you can, cut these. This cut off again. It's my fault because I was printing it from the phone, and for some reason the printer was not connecting well to the phone. So I'm gonna print out another page of that one. But definitely check that out. And because my thought also is that I created, there were some prompts for a fairy journal, I think it was, at Polly's Pretties. And there's certain things in here that I would like to incorporate into the journal. For example, I have a template for the stump. I have got mushrooms, little gnomes, and I know there's some other things that I want to, make some additional pages. Let me see. So this one here, for example, the template with the fox. I've got stickers. I know I have a template with the deer, or stencil, I should say, with the deer. And I know there's another one in here. This too, I use like the white gesso, but there's one with, yes, this one right here. I used modeling paste for the porcupine and for the fox. So I definitely want to add some additional pages in there and make it like a nice chunky journal using some of these ideas from this little tiny journal. This is like a little fairy house, so just adding more to the journal. So I'm looking so much forward to starting this, and I hope you are too. So definitely check out Hazel's channel. She does have a page for angel policy as part of that, but here again is her information. And again, it'd be interesting to see, once I get maybe white copy paper, because I can always add some of these additional pieces, what it looks like. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.